The Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology, an autonomous deemed to be university under the Ministry of Education, has earned a 3.6-star rating from students on Shiksha.com. How good is it for BTech? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with the 2.7 rated placements. At NERIST, the placement season is in full swing. So far, 29 top companies including Tata Projects, Cummins, Ashok Leyland, ITC Infotech and Oil India Limited have made around 165 offers to 388 BTech students. The salary figures have not been released yet. As per NIRF, the median salary in 2021-22 stood at 4.5 lakh per annum, which is an increase of around 25% compared to 2019-2020's 3.6 lakh per annum. According to the data, 37% of NERIST graduates pursued careers in the engineering sector, with many securing positions at top firms like Meta, Microsoft and Infosys. Notably, NERIST's alumni have also contributed to the landmark Chandrayaan-3 mission, leaving a historic mark. But recent placement reviews paint a mixed picture. Some students express concerns about the subpar placements, citing that the campus's remote location as a deterrent for many recruiters. On the flip side, other students highlight the college's solid placement record, reflecting a more positive outlook. In terms of academics, the BTech program offers 6 specializations: agriculture engineering, civil, CSE, electrical, ECE and mechanical engineering. BTech admissions are based on JEE main scores or the NERIST entrance exam, with the latter requiring a PCM background in 10+2 and has an age limit of 23 years. A look at the latest JEE main cutoffs indicates CSE and mechanical are gaining traction among students, making the competition to secure seats more challenging compared to 2023. Speaking of cost, it can go up to 76,000 rupees. If aligned with salary expectation, this results in an impressive returns in the first year. Coming to its 3.2-star rated infrastructure. Nestled in a picturesque valley at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas, the campus lies about 350 kilometers from Guwahati, accessible by road, rail and air. Students note that while the college building shows its age, the environment remains student-friendly. As a central government institution, classrooms are equipped with modern teaching aids and the campus boasts of a dedicated 3-story library open 16 hours daily, advanced labs, high-speed internet and computer labs and a full-scale Wi-Fi coverage. The college offers 10 hostels equipped with amenities like an ambulance, mini super bazaar, post office, ATM and gym. While students appreciate the hostel facilities and infrastructure, they note that some renovation is needed. For sports enthusiasts, the campus offers 2 multi-gyms, an indoor badminton court, 3 basketball courts, a sprawling playground. Let's switch gears to the 3.5-star rated faculty and curriculum. Students commend the faculty for its approachable nature and teaching quality. Many professors are seasoned experts with degrees from top-tier institutions like IISCs, IITs and NITs. The curriculum is both relevant and on par with that of IITs and NITs, designed to make students industry-ready. It includes a rigorous 30 to 45-day industry training program at the end of the BTech course, conducted in esteemed organizations such as IOC, ONGC, DRDO, BARC, IISc Bangalore and various IITs. Let's switch gears to take a look at the campus life, where students are given it a rating of 3.9 stars. The campus life is vibrant and enjoyable, set in a serene environment with a pretty chill cultural atmosphere. The majority of the students hail from the northeastern states. The Recreational and Creative Activities Forum orchestrates a 4-day annual cultural fest touted as Arunachal Pradesh's oldest fest. Additionally, the college hosts an annual Techno Management Fest and a dynamic sports festival, further enriching the campus experience. Lastly, talking about the NIRF ranking, NERIST being placed in the 201 to 250 rank band in 2022 has marked a significant leap and ascended to 151 to 200 band in 2023. For more details on Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.